for this trip, we will be going to Bohol and Siquijor. So it's a 7-day trip with my family. So ang flight namin is 6 a.m. And when we arrive sa Panglao Airport, na-pick up lang kami ng van na in-arrange ng aming resort. Where we stayed, it's Nora's Place Boutique Resort. Morning po. This one is really good kasi may lutoan siya tapos may pool, and then we also availed a tour package para hindi sayang yung araw since we arrived early. So our first stop was the church with a watchtower. Hindi ko maalala kung ano yung name. So after nun, nag-go-kart lang yung mga bagets kasi nga dapat yung ATV ride, but it was too pricey for us and hindi naman lahat mag-ATV. So it's a 1-hour activity. Mas pinili na lang namin yung ma-enjoy ng mas marami sa amin. Ay, ang cute! Stretch talaga na. Nakbangit. We had our lunch in Bohol Bee Farm.
Ibon. Peaceful dito. We are in the Bohol Bee Farm. Be with you.
I enjoyed this one. Hindi din siya sobrang pricey. Good for sharing siya. Yung ice cream nila na sobrang creamy. I suggest you get the chocolate one and the salted caramel. It's really good. Kumanta lang kami ng birthday song for Kyle since this trip is for him. Happy birthday! Then, nag-swimming lang kami sa Nagdanan Cave. Yun yung last activity for this tour. And after that, nag-tuk-tuk ride na kami papuntang Alona Beach. And dito na kami magdi-dinner.
So, ano man sa atin for the first day?
First day is tiring.
Ano masaya?
But it's good.
How about you? Are you happy? Pero, hello guys, we are back.
Hi, we're now here in Alona Beach.
Alona Beach.
Hanggang ano lang kami dito?
Consistent.
3 days and 2 nights, pero technically 2 days lang kasi Saturday namin pupunta na kaming Siquijor.
Saturday?
Anong araw na? Wala na akong concept of day.
Ngayon, iniintay namin sila. So, wala pa rin sila. Ano ang pinapag-usapan nila?
Why did I...
Hello guys, so what are you craving for tonight?
Freaking sleep!
Yes.
Hindi person.
How
I'm
about you?
craving for sinigang.
Me too.
Craving for
How about
ice cream.
Ice cream.
Something
ice
sweet.
cream too?
Sinigang na baboy, guys.
Sinigang, yes. Is,
Your cravings for tonight?
what is cravings for tonight?
Except sa
So, ito ang kinasabi niya.
Sinasabi ko na eh. Sinasabi ko na eh. Nagsalabi ko ng except sa amin.
Joke lang. Ice cream yun.
Oh, ice cream.
Yan, simple.
Gago.
Joke lang.
Crazy.
Joke lang. Bastos lang ako magkatabi kasi Kylie, pero di po ako ganito. Branding lang to, kumbaga.
Branding ang pati.
So, naglakad-lakad lang kami sa may Alona Beach para maghanap ng restaurant na kakainan. So, we found this one. And may seafood boil, which is na-enjoy naman namin. And after that, naglakad na lang kami pabalik. And then, nag-dessert, bumili ng potato corner, ng drinks para doon na lang kami sa resort mag-chill, mag-swimming, and inuman. So, kami ni Kyle and Kylie, tumambay muna kami doon sa bar and nag-order ng drinks and ng shot.
Ano yung B52? Kuya. Wag na. Feeling ko nga. Sige, blowjob na lang. Hindi, i-X na. Sorry na. Ako na nga magsulat, kuya. Fireball. Ano nga yung kanta na?
Fireball.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Nora's.
Nora's Garage.
At mag-shot kami ng tequila rose. Wow, pala ng tequila rose.
Ba't ang tapang? Baka hindi siya malamig.
Kuya, ang dami sinasabi nito.
I mean, kaya siya matapang.
Kuya, Trish nga pala.
Ikaw, tigilan mo ako. Sasapakan kita.
Tatapos na.
Look me in the eyeball.
Good morning, everybody. This is part 2 of my vlog. We're going to be island hopping. You know, island hop.
Kasama na po sa kahapon po. Wala siya.
Dito na lang. Harap po.
Hello, Dolphin.
Dolphin sightseeing lang kami. Punta na kami sa Balikasag Island mamaya. And Virgin Island.
Nasa amin na tayo GoPro, pero pang ano na yun.
Ikaw nga yung nagbuli.
Oo, nasa buhay. Kasi sobrang maging creative yung utak.
Ano yan? Yung tinatawag na wishbone. Bastos ka kasi. Kaya ng GoPro, iwan yun.
Do you believe in unicorns? Yeah, they're not real.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
So suddenly, I'm thinking about the things you said to me, yeah. Counting backwards in my mind, hoping I can find something to get by.
Mango Margarita. Tapos yung meat platter.
Bulaga. Ay, pinutik ni tao sa likod ko.
So, ito ang pastuhan namin ngayon.
Yun, gusto rin namin talaga matry itong mist. Buti na lang katabi siya ng resort namin. And medyo pagod din kasi kami. Ayun, dito na lang kami bumili ng dinner and ng drinks. For this one, medyo pricey yung mga food nila. And okay naman yung presentation. But to taste, so-so lang. So, yun. So, maaga kami pinick up ng van para i-drop off sa port going to Siquijor. It's a 2-hour ferry ride. Dumating kami sa Siquijor at 9 a.m. So, talagang mainit. And hindi pa kami pwede mag-check-in. Sa Sunset Glamping Village pala kami magstay. And then, pinick up lang kami ng tour van namin at 11 a.m. And napick up din namin sa port yung kuya ko and pamangkin ko. So, ang first stop namin is Boo Cafe. Ito yung overlooking cafe.
Piling kayo ng 10 kilong kababa.
Chicken?
We are in a kainan. And I have no idea what the name is, literally. I forgot, actually. Narinig ko, nakalimutan.
Dahil late na rin kami nakapag-start, parang 2 stops lang yung nagawa namin for this day. Okay naman yung food dito, medyo pricey lang yan yung iba, medyo matigas. But the view is really breathtaking. So, ang next stop namin is yung Simbawalan Cave, which is not okay for claustrophobic. Underground cave siya, tapos 100 steps going down and matarik yung mga hagdanan. So, kaya paguran talaga siya. So, yun na lang yung activity namin for the whole afternoon. And sobrang gulo namin sa van kasi nga ang daming kwentuhan.
Ito ay Tokaton. Tokaton.
Pagbalik namin sa resort, dun pala kami nakapag-check-in. I highly recommend this place. Sobrang chill ng vibes. Ang ganda ng music playlist nila. So, nag-sunset watching lang kami, nag-take ng drone shots yung kuya ko, and then nag-beach volleyball lang yung mga kasama namin. Hey guys, nandito na kami sa Siquijor.
We're in a beach! Let's go to the beach! Let's get over there. Yes! Kuya Rafi, mapula daw mata ko, guys.
So for dinner, naghanap-hanap lang kami dun sa labas. Medyo pricey tong place na to. So nung nakahanap kami ng mas mura, dun na lang kami kumain. And okay dito, yung mga pagkain nila usually pala may mga bell pepper no, sa Siquijor. Okay naman, nag-shot sila dito. And kami sobrang pagod na. So iniwan na lang namin sila. And doon na kami sa resort nag-inom.
Talagang mag-asawang torture.
So for this day, we booked a tour package from Kuya Benji. I found him on Facebook. If you need his number, I can send it to you. Just message me. So this will be a jam-packed day kasi nga it's from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Waawi.
Paliton! Sorry.
Palito pa nga.
Paliton ba?
Lagyan mo asukal.
Guys, we're now here. Paliton Beach. Ton Gutierrez.
Palito yun. Araw ni Ivan na.
Tara. Para si Urchin.
Yan tingala isa.
Tara.
Sige po, isa po. Si Archie.
Huwag ka muna mabedyo ko. Yan yung front. Pero ka kasi pawis neng, oh. On camera.
Pwede dito malakas.
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Yun, nakabulsa na.
nakapamulsa.
Medyo nakapag yun pa.
Putik yan. Putik yan. Ay, grabe.
Ano yung phone yun?
Hindi po kami ay nasa
We are in the falls.
Lagaan Falls.
Habang naglalakad, huwag mo na ita.
May ipit po yung itlog niya.
Saglit lang. Masakit kasi siya pag...
So it's Kyle's birthday dinner and ayan, kumain lang kami sa Monkey Business. In fairness, sobrang sarap ng food dito.
Hello, what's up everybody? We're at CKO and this is Kuya Kyle. Nagdadrive and then sa harap si Tito din. And then next one kay Tito din is si Mami. At sumunod naman kay Mami ay sino ba yun?
And then we just went to JJ Backpackers para matry yung nightlife sa Siquijor. And it was good. The crowd is good as well. But the music, it's not for me. Pero okay naman siya.
Pagsisa na siya.
Ang lambot, no? Ang lambot yard. So how is the experience on this bar?
On this bar, etong bar na to, we allow minors but with parents or guardians. And I do not sorry.
Okay.
Chunk namin.
May nakita ko sa'yo kanina. Delay naalala mo doon sa Little Boracay kanina?
Sino yung nag-swing?
Oo! Kaya ka, dahil kaado ko yung gigil niya.
Look at his stance.
Hindi ako yung papatulong sa akin.
Panalo!
Kaya mo pa mag-drive? Hi guys, so now we're at the parking and we're gonna go home na. So hi guys, we're now here in San Juan. And nakakuha na kami ng motor. And si Ate. Bukas yung?
Palagi talaga ako lasing pero gagawin ko siyang sober. Uy!
Wayop talaga! Ano ba to si Trish? Ang linis ko na eh! Ano sa'yo? Parang ang gusto ko din na oatmeal eh.
Hello, good morning.
YouTube ko, no?
Anong gagawin?
Ni Mama Seni, number 1 kayo.
Dapat may pata.
Ayun.
Ano naman? Bata ko na naman yan.
Sino pa ba?
Pero medyo straight yung pata dyan
Hindi pa malutong.
Same sila ni Kuya Kal pag bumanat.
We didn't book any tour para sa last 2 days namin kasi nga gusto namin free time lang namin to. Kung ano lang maisipan namin puntahan. And then may mga motor kami nirentan. So we're free to do that. Tumambay lang muna kami sa shore after breakfast. Nag-drone shots, kulitan, asaran. Reyes Kitchenette.
Pero layo lang muna tayo kasi mag-stop muna tayo sa may laundry.
Yes, dito lang yan. 1 minute away.
Teka muna, palabasin mo muna kami para kapelo ka. Kabati pa konti.
Sige, paanay mo muna sila. Kuya, kulit.
Dapat kung pinalis na natin sa
Yung papuntang monkey business. Slow down ka lang kasi 1 minute lang away yun. Tigno magdumita mi ka matabhum.
Welcome to my vlog. So, today we are tayo'y magmamotor sa maalala ng Sikihor.
Nagpa-laundry lang kami dito. Kasi wala na kaming dami.
Apa, we're going to
Sa ano man kami, pa-laundry, Reyes Kitchenette, and then dun sa public pool.
It's okay. Punta po kaming Sig Cafe. Tapos uwi na. Kakagaling lang namin doon sa public pool.
Saan si ate babagsak po?
Should I order? Hi guys, we are Fig Coffee!
So, after namin mag-coffee, we decided to go sa Sunset Boulevard. It's a 19-minute motorcycle drive. So, this is our first long ride. Long na yun sa amin, 19 minutes. Kasi nga, mga newbies pa lang yung mga iba namin kasama. Sobrang okay dito. Mura yung mga food, daming offerings, malaki yung space, tahimik, and ang ganda ng sunset. Ang babait ng mga tao sa Sikihor. Now na lang kami dumating dito kasi nga nagkaroon ng slight miscommunication and dumaan pa sila sa laundry shop and kami naman ni Kuya din nauna na kami kasi nga sinusundan namin yung Google Maps. But everyone's safe. Di man kami sabay-sabay nakapunta at nakauwi.
Pinyahan mo. Ay,
So for our last full day in Sikihor, we decided to plan an itinerary for the whole day para masulit naman namin yung mga motor namin, diba? Nagpalit nga pala kami ng motor. Yung iba gusto mag-Giorno and kami naman gusto naman talaga namin yung Fazio kasi nga mas comfortable ako doon. And ayun, medyo gloomy this morning. I kind of predicted it kasi nga nagre-reklamo na yung kuya ko na magsusunog na naman kami ng balat. It was raining at first. Actually, hindi naman sobrang init buong araw. Sobrang na-enjoy namin mag-ride sa Sikihor kasi nga circumferential road yung dinadaanan namin. And also we learned our lesson na maghintayan kasi nga we wanna avoid yung katulad ng nangyari the night before.
Okay, so we're now here sa Sikihor pa din. And ayun, hinintay lang namin mga kasama namin. Nagmotor kami papunta sa Lassie Convent. It's a 14-minute motorcycle ride. So yun lang.
What if we make believe, hide away amongst the trees, making potions out of leaves, hide and seek in closets empty, If you're the first person to find me, just don't tell them what you've seen. So I think that I might make up for lost time that we wasted. So
Paano makakasiguro na nandito siya? Dito. Alam mo yun?
Piling ko na.
Kay Claudine.
Hindi ko mukha kada kagad. Saan yung ano naman? Dapat mo dito.
Ito mukhang forest.
Dapat mo dito.
Pwede bang ganito?
Hindi ba dito sa Sabang? Malamang masukal.
Oo, dito ata yan.
Tapos pwede tayo gumanon.
Te, akala niya ito linya na to. Ito talaga yun.
Siguro dito tayo galing.
Oo.
Gumanon tayo papunta.
Mga papunta dito sa Lassie.
Tapos, konti na lang to. Konti na lang. Wala, 1/4.
Kasi maliit lang. 1/4. Nukat mo pa ng gano'n.
Nung pinagmasiyan.
Sana hindi nag-invento ng Google Maps. Uy, ang ingay mo talaga.
I met you last December. Well, I think it was your arm around my shoulder with no care at all. You stayed cool, calm, collected, just playing dumb. Who'd have thought? Yeah, you were so cool, so different. Yeah, I bet you were bending over backwards just to say a word. And you think you're funny now, but they never learn what it cost. And I've been searching, waiting for the right time. You left early, something about your brother's flight. I just
Bye to the vlog. Bye ka na sa vlog. Dong. Dong.
Napakaganda dito sa Sikoro.
Go vlog. Bye vlog namin. Hey guys, nandito kami sa fake ulit. Na-enjoy mo siguro. Super! Hello! Dito kami may free shot sa Cocorico. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Akainis.
So, maaaway yan tonight.
We are in a bar. In a bar. And like there's mini bags, tapos it's like our last day in Sikihor. Sayang guys. I didn't get to wake up early for the sunrise.
Tomorrow.
Anong oras pa tayo uwi bukas?
My God, then.
10? Oh my gosh, I'm waking up tomorrow at 4 a.m.?
take your space, take your time. But know what's what and who left who behind. Saying goodbye one-sided was something that you decided. Had me drunk in the shower crying. So what are you even trying? Cause you can't take.
So, pagbalik naman ng resort, nag-inuman lang ulit kami and then kwentuhan. And then, for our last day na talaga, we ate breakfast and then nag-prep lang kami ng mga gamit namin kasi susundin kami ng van by 10 a.m. para ihatid kami sa port. Meron naman na kaming online tickets. So, wala kami ibang dapat gawin kundi hintayin yung time slot para makasakay kaming sa ferry going to Dumaguete. Hi guys! We're now out and about going to Dumaguete.
Ayan sila. Ayan sila. Ayan ako. Tulog ang ano eh.
Ang
Madalas
aming Princess Fiona. Nasakay kami ng ocean jet going to Dumaguete and then we will eat there and then we will fly.
Yes. Taking the ferry to Dumaguete. Say goodbye to the beach.
So it was just a 45-minute ferry ride, and then we rented a van to guide us around Dumaguete City. Our first stop is Joe's Chicken Inato. In fairness, mura lang and sobrang sarap. So na-enjoy namin tong lunch na to. And then we went to San Cheval to get some Sylvanas. We also dropped by Painitan to get the sticky rice with the chocolate and peanut butter topping. Sarap niya. And then it's only for 25 pesos. And then yan, 3 hours lang yung rent namin ng van. Binaba na kami sa Dumaguete Airport. And then that's it for our trip. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!